The Hermès Kelly bag is prized for its classic design and luxurious material. A new Kelly bag can set you back several $1,000s. That is, if you can even get the ultra-exclusive bag. This vintage Kelly design is a Dépêches briefcase. It was used for many years and now needs new handles, stitches, and its leather repaired. Bag Remake Studio in Shonan, Japan is going to show us its process. First, all of the damaged pieces have to be removed. A seam ripper is used to take apart the deteriorated bag handle, along with the ripped threads from the bag sides. The leather of the bag's body is also damaged, but it's going to get cleaned. Saddle soap is applied to the bag with a soft brush. This cleans the leather without damaging it. The goal is to remove any dirt and peeling paint. The soap is wiped away with a damp sponge. The bag is restitched with wax thread. Which is stronger than the bag's original thread. The ends are burned with a lighter to prevent fraying. Next, the original handle is carefully taken apart. A new handle is traced and reinforced with pieces from the original. Everything is glued together and then covered with new leather. A special tool is used to punch holes at the edges. Edge coat is applied to color and seal the handle. The handle is reattached to the bag, and a bottom piece of leather is glued on. Everything is stitched together by hand. Excess leather is trimmed off with scissors. A polishing tool smooths the edges down. And a final layer of edge coat is applied. Leather pigment is applied to the bag's damaged leather. The pigment dries after just a few minutes. Edge coat is used to seal all of the bag's corners. And finally, the entire bag is polished with mink oil. This prevents future leather discoloration and peeling. Now, the bag can be used for many more years.